Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to Villa Los Altos, and this is a new exclusive listing for Villa Solutions. We're located literally a 5-minute walk below the village of Alcaucin, and basically the position I think is fantastic. It's on an urbanization with all full urban services, including water, waste, electric. We're on a walled plot, fully walled plot. Okay, so not just fencing, fully walled, and then we've got a obviously access driveway here with off-road parking, another side door for access, and we've got a very low maintenance but well-established property here. We've got 5 fruit trees ranging from lemons to oranges and cherries. This is just a kind of a back part of the terrace, but main thing is you've got drainage in. You've got low maintenance, basically, with the backdrop of the national park with the pine trees there. Really nice. Obviously, there are neighbours either side of this property. There is also a log store here, which is great for the winter. And then we've got some really nice features. This is a door coming off the main kitchen, but you've got to see these are solid steel wreckers throughout. Okay. All the windows are UPVC and low maintenance, and then essentially what we have is the main door here, but we will see go inside via the patio doors. Here we have a covered pergola, really nice effect with that weave, and then there's terracing all on that lower level as well. As well as this, we've got a 3/4 bedroom property. Essentially there's 2 lounges. There's lots of balustrade and kind of beamed features, both upstairs and downstairs. There is also a beautiful, very good condition 8x4 swimming pool with terracing. Okay, and then all of this faces westwards out towards Lake Vinuela, which you can see in the distance. Again, low maintenance gardens. You've got loads of terracing with this property, and it's all in really good condition. It's all just been repainted. So what we have essentially is 2 levels. Okay, we're just going to come through now into the upper living level. So there you got the main door there. Okay, that's been upgraded, UPVC. There is also, really importantly, an inverter put in for 5 kilowatts solar panels up on the roof. So your electric is pretty much zero. That's just a storage unit there in the hallway. And then you walk into, it's nice. It's a nice compact light. There's AC there. There's a wood burner for the winter. Very easy to maintain living room, diner, all leading out onto that lovely covered terrace here with the balustrade, with the view. And it's nice and quiet here, guys. Although you are literally a 5-minute walk from the village, amenities. Okay, so wood burner, really nicely finished with the brickwork and the wooden mantle there. Through here we have the main kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen got ample unit space, I've got to say. If you're not a fan of that colour, you could have it wrapped. You could have it wrapped for very cheap actually, or you could obviously just replace the doors. But I've got to say, the sparkle in the granite silestone is really nice. Then again, you've got access door onto that side terrace. There is a new electric boiler, okay, and that's obviously powered by the solar panels up on the roof. The kitchen again is kind of fully equipped, so we got all electric domesticos are included, all the appliances, electric hob. There's a extractor, there's a microwave and fridge freezer, but with all ample storage and space. If you don't want this kind of separate kitchen, you literally will have to simply knock this wall down, and then you will have an open plan and put a new kitchen in, I guess. Open plan, and you're going to have a lot more light. And essentially, obviously, that's how some people do prefer to live nowadays. Okay, so on this level, there are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. So here, again, there's AC throughout. Quality, good double glazed quality windows. Again, there's no need to replace them. You've got shutters on there as well. There's an alarm system in as well, guys, with sensors on all doors and windows. Fitted wardrobes throughout and nice high ceilings actually. You've got a nice kind of airy feel here because of the height in the ceiling. And then also you've got the cornice as a finish. Okay, so these are good quality build properties. They're now kind of up to 20 years old. This bathroom has been upgraded, so you've got walk-in shower, you've got a glass screen there, again the high ceilings, toilet and sink with vanity. And then this is bedroom number 2. So again, there's AC, and we've got a twin room here, which could easily be a double of whatever size you wish. But yeah, what you do have is big wardrobes throughout. Okay, so that's really quite nice. Okay, so downstairs is a bit of a surprise, and we've got access via external staircase downstairs. I'm going to show you that. Sweeping down here, I'll do a little circuit around the pool as well. But yeah, this, I gotta say, it's really nice how everything's been terraced. Okay, so that little void in there, you got storage but there for obviously external rainwater, what have you. But you could obviously put a little roof on there. You could have it as a nice barbecue, outdoor kind of barbecue area around this lovely pool. The pool, I gotta say, is in very good condition. You got your pump room in here, and then we've got plenty of terracing going into this corner. And then this is where you get like the proper frontal look of the villa itself. So you've got that nice kind of gentle bow front. Again, sorry doggy. And then basically we've got the pool with the corner steps. Okay, and then on to more terracing around here. Again, some nice palms in, more fruit trees. But what we've got is an urban situation. So again, there is amenities very nearby. There's storage underneath the stairs through that blue door. Here is a nice private terrace. Again, under this weaved kind of pergola. You've got water, electric out here as well. But yeah, that is really quite nice. And then from here, we can go into the second living area. Okay, so this is essentially the second lounge area at present. It's a bit of a games room. Obviously, there's an L-shaped sofa in here. There is a very nice situation where you've got a sauna. Electric sauna in the corner there. Pool tables in, but I'm not sure if that's included. But yeah, look at this. This is really nice accessory to have. So it's a 2-person electric sauna. Really quite nice in those winter months. Here we've got a room at the back, which is almost like a hobby room. Could be storage room. But you've got the glass blocks allowing light in through there. I mean, down here you could do essentially whatever you wish, wall-wise. Again, through here we've got the downstairs shower room, so that's a good size shower, glass block wall, sink and loo. And then finally we've got the third bedroom here, whereby again this is going to stay nice and cool during those summer months. At the back of the property you've got glazing at the top there to allow light in, with obviously, yeah, it's a big room, this actually, really big. So I think this property has huge potential, especially down here. You can obviously screen off your neighbours with plants or walls or fences, what have you, but I just think this space, it's all tiled, you can divide it as you wish. It's a huge asset to this particular property, and the fact it's urban, you can all do it legitimately and legally. So there we have it. Okay, so this is it. This is Villa Los Altos. If you want further details, then please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed you can view our website villasolutions.net. Thank you.